Over the last few years, the global economy has been shattered, devastating the finances of millions of families. At the same time, big banks are just getting richer. MSNBC recently reported that in 2009, Goldman Sachs paid their employees $16.2 billion. With 32,000 workers, on average, the bank paid their employees $500,000 each. The average American earns just over $1 million over the course of their entire life. This money will be spent to cover a variety of living expenses and wants. Can you guess what the biggest expense is? Interest. On average, interest will take about 40% of your earnings. That means you will pay $400,000 to the banks, making them even more money. If they can entice you to finance your purchases, maintain balances on your credit cards, and refinance your home every few years, they can keep you as a lifetime investment. Unfortunately, 97% of Americans are not prepared for retirement when the time comes. But about 3% of Americans who earn the very same income are able to truly enjoy a comfortable, debt-free retirement. How is it that some people are able to live a debt-free and financially prosperous life with the exact same income as those who end up in financial bondage? What is their money doing differently? Do they know something others don't know? You've probably heard of common strategies such as paying extra money on your debts, biweekly payments, or debt roll-down. Between books, TV, and the internet, there is no shortage of information. So with so much information available, why are so many people still in debt? The average person we talk to is 48 years old and still has nearly 30 years left on their mortgage. 20 years and several refinances ago, their original mortgage was only $75,000. But now, it's over $200,000, with no end in sight. How many times have you refinanced your mortgage, paying thousands in closing costs, and starting over at 30 more years? Where were you financially 10 years ago? Do you owe more now than you did then? Do you have the $1 million saved for retirement that you will need in today's economy? Will you be able to stop working by the age of 60? What about 70? The problem isn't that people don't know how to pay off their debt. The real problem is that first, most people don't have the discipline to do what they know they need to do. Second, people may not understand the basic strategies well enough, or maybe don't have the time to do it right. And third, there really are some advanced strategies that can't be learned from books and tapes. If you are starting to realize that you won't reach your goals the way you're currently going, it may be time for help. Our program is a remarkable solution. On average, our clients are able to pay off a 30-year mortgage in only 9 years, with the same income they're already earning. Since 1996, we have helped tens of thousands of Americans in all 50 states reach their goals. We will beat the banks at their own game. We have a 95% success rate with a mathematically guaranteed program that will put you on a proven path to financial freedom. Our program is unlike anything you have ever seen. We don't do debt settlement, credit counseling, or loan modifications. And our program absolutely will not harm your credit. We'll just take your current situation and make it better. We have proven algorithms and software to ensure that you reach your financial goals. One of our personal finance analysts will help you build a fully customized debt elimination plan at no charge. With this plan, you'll find out exactly how soon you will be debt-free, how much money you will save in interest, and what kinds of advanced strategies we can apply to your situation. Find out how thousands of Americans across the country are finally reaching their financial goals. There is a light at the end of the tunnel. Sound financial principles, combined and applied with the right formulas, will get you debt-free even sooner than you ever imagined. Please fill out the form below to begin your path to financial security. You have nothing to lose but your debt.